Khago, it is a disgrace. And for hear the threats them we are make towards the angel and what Khago, you are a total disgrace to man.
A few moments later.
And J Progress. And them basically a bona fire pan Khago. You don't know them 2G, they a 2G where in my view would have been the most disqualified to speak on this subject. Idea you that year, J Progress I say, Khago abusive and this and that and all of that, and him a threaten to expose the angel. And fine.
One eternity later.
The messenger of a Rickstorm TV. Rickstorm TV.
A few moments later.
But brother, let me tell you something. You see if you love Khago, or you rub down Khago youth, or...
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
It's a youth and they send you for me, man.
Khago will do you some fancy favors, and because Khago do a dub plate for you, let me tell you this, my brother.
2,000 years later.
As much as I rate you as a blogger youth, me with this you, know where I do, Rickstorm.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
You don't know things, you know. You understand? Yeah, man, but me see J Progress run up on Rickstorm. You see me? But me always say still in a dog. Yo, some of the time, you have vloggers or vlogs. Some of them try to be neutral, you understand? But if you really pre and observe and think smart, you will see who them really rep. You understand? But listen what this man say.
The messenger of a Rickstorm TV. Rickstorm TV. A lot of Gaza fans support you. And don't be surprised, majority of your following and your subscription may be those of Gaza supporters, right? But I realize that you did something directly to me, J Progress, and one Kevin. And you say because you think of me as a Gaza blogger, right? And you say one Kevin speak for the Gaza, right? So now, Rickstorm, Khago do you a dub plate for your channel? So we know you rate Khago, and Khago are one of your artists that you support. Because you speak very biased when it comes down to Khago. So because me I burn out Khago, you are going with the angel. And one Kevin I burn out Khago, you are going with the angel. And many other man. You, because probably you see J Progress as somebody who have a bit of social media influence out there, and maybe you see one Kevin as the same. You put up, say, what I have said about Khago, what one Kevin said about Khago, and I go say, you don't think J Progress or one Kevin qualify to speak about Khago and that matter with the angel? Then we are what? Me are what? Me not no opinion on it. Why I have no opinion? Because in your view, Gaza Kim come out and say Vice Cartel beat her. And me never say nothing about it. Or one Kevin never say nothing about it. Right? You say the angel video release with whatever in our mouth, and them say a Vice Cartel, and probably a Vice Cartel exposed the angel, and it was said Vice Cartel expose Lisa Hyper, right? Because Lisa Hyper get exposed in some kind of what them call it, X-rated kind of videos or whatever, and them see a Vice Cartel behind it, and I didn't come out and say nothing about it. And because of that reason, dirty thinking Khago. Wait, come like me don't know why you're Khago in Rickstorm. But me tell you this, me not go this year because fear be fear. You're one blogger when me rate. From the get-go, from long time. But brother, let me tell you something. You see if you love Khago, or you rub down Khago youth, or Khago will do you some fancy favors, and because Khago do a dub plate for you, let me tell you this, my brother. See when you come on to bloggers, if you don't have the opinion one way, never you come out here as a blogger and feel like another blogger not have them opinion. Because
And that my always I say, you see me? Because at the end of the day, bro, the thing is that them man, I don't know, it come like them act like them no put themselves like rate a artist and like them nah pick no side, them go on like say them neutral. But make you say something, right? But a artist when them really rate, come realize with the vlogger them, realize some of them like the artists have to call them name, represent them, maybe send them certain things. Yeah. It's like at that our artists post them up. See? At that me realize. Say yo, them man ya, them can't stay true to themselves. Like, them can't say any opinion. Like them just kind of have a little fun out them inner them little feelings and all of them little thing there. See, cause one thing with me, everybody knows say yo, Alka my artist. You see what me I try to say, everybody see my video them. But at the end of the day, me always a correct the narrative or me a expose whosoever say anything. You understand? Me I go vlog boy, any other thing, whatever happen in Jamaica, worldwide, whatsoever. I saw the thing said. Vlogger. You see me? Artists drop music, we promote it. Whatever the artists have to deal with, we just deal with it. You see what me I try to say? But enough of them money, them just be neutral. Them just feel like say, yo, alright, me I be neutral and hide it. But when you really look between the lines, you know, say, yo, them money no, them not genuine. You understand? Them not genuine. When you talk about for them people, you see them kind of move and I say a thing away. You see what me I try to say? Because enough of them vloggers we rep some artists. Them not promote them music. You understand? Them just a promote like, yo, just bring down people. And that them a do, you know. Bring down people like based on for attack. If me see somebody forward out and say something, yeah, we can correct the narrative and even show facts with it. Nothing wrong, cause look at now. We have to make people know say you're wrong and we are say, nah make no sense. And make even yourself look stupid. You understand? Cause J Progress himself forward out and say nothing. So but him next day him say another thing. I would just use what him say and beat whatever I'm saying at the present. You understand? So I just saw them money stay here, dog. You see me? I just saw them money stay. You see me? Them act like say yo, them neutral and them not pick no side. You understand? I saw. Me no rate them type of vlogging there. You see me? Don't act like you not pick no side, bro. You see me? Can't nothing wrong with that. You see me? Cause at the end of the day you can just correct the narrative and move on. You see me? Just correct the narrative and move on. You see it or you expose somebody and make them look like fool. You see me?
I'm telling you something, brother. As much as I rate you, I will diss you brawling. You understand? So if you feel, anytime you feel like another blogger don't have an opinion, you as a blogger yourself, just hold that and breeze past it.
Them man in an opinion, brother. Them man they does act like him vlog neutral. You understand? Them man in an opinion. Cause enough time I see them man they people forward out and this. I think one brother forward and call him out. And them man they not say none. The man I play man and the man I say yo, him not even say nothing for correct the narrative. I saw them man they stay. You understand? Them man in a opinion, them man they just make people him just play some video and make some people talk. And when him say yo, people in the comment, don't tell me about this. Him not say nothing for himself. But make one of him person them who and him link, same like Khago, him ready for say something. But everything else him ask a comment for ask it. Bro, nothing wrong if you give opinion on a topic, bro. You see what I try to say? Your opinion are your opinion. But at least yeah, feed into the information and you know, maybe somebody can listen to what you say and say, you know, say true. But them man not give no opinion, brother. I tell you that.
And don't make because you rate a man, you say Ray. Whether you talk against an artist or me rate or not, me never come knock your opinion yet. But you see the moment you are come knock my opinion and tell me what I am qualified to speak and or not speak and as much as I me rate you as a blogger youth, me with this you, know what you do, Rick Storm. For if you and Khago in a whatever you know in a, and you favor Khago a one little low life, nasty, garbage man. If you owe him a deal with the angel on the media. You hear me I say? And this right there. So probably if you not see that line nothing, and you against Gaza neatly and all little way, just remember say, 3/4 your supporters them, probably the Gaza supporter. So when you have pick side, don't pick no side in a blogging world, in general. Don't pick no side in a blogging world. Just do your blogging and do your thing right. And never your boy you come call out blogger and you a blogger yourself too.
Yeah, that me I say, you see me, cause if a man I go ask, like 99% of time, he might ask people say, yo, what do you think about this? Even not say nothing. But when you know, I just say with Khago thing now, he might give opinion. See him like he might say, yo, I'm a credible vlogger for talk about this. You understand? Because look at now. Do your Khago move in the media? We did I expect say the angel for move them with it. You understand? The angel move more militant than him. But I understand because at the end of the day, him they run the angel and him, you know, him kind of catch feelings. You see me, but the angel just did that the business part, but him did catch feelings and it just never work out. You understand? But the way him crash out in the media and for no say that's what I'm telling the people. And everybody where they run are your friend because the angel and him they're power and he must say, yo, don't make him fall out and talk what you say about Beanie and Bounty. But imagine she did it now with him and she sit down and talk and I trust him. But I just one little thing go down and him ready for it. You see what I try to say, so the way him react, nah, but we know Khago, me must say Khago not really right it, you know. You understand? Him say it himself.
Stay in your lane, me general. If you don't like that, you can mix up thing and the back and forth thing upon social media. No go J Progress direction. Don't do it. Believe. Rick Star, let me tell you something, youth. You know one of the main reasons why I not take pay for promote no artists, and you know how much of them in my inbox, how much me charge, and all these things. Me not take pay from artists to promote no artists. No artists not do dub plate for my channel, not for J Progress. Because when me ready for burn them, no artist can't tell me what them did do for me from what them name do for me. So me not take pay for promote no boy, and me not make no boy do no dub plate for me channel. Cause me not stoop to no artist boy.
Yeah, man. You see me? Yeah, man. I saw me rate that talk there. Me rate that talk because I see enough of them vlogger yeah. You understand? Enough of them where to an artist might post them up and them little thing there, put them on them channel and where them a say something about them. Them fan out. You understand? And what them do, them start use that now and start diss some other people, whatever way people say. You understand? So them just can't talk the real way. You see what I try to say? Yeah, man, cause at the end of the day, if you're a fan of one artist or you rate an artist, you see me, you just say what you know and you can, whatever you can defend or change the narrative or correct the narrative, do it. Cause if you're a fan of the artist, you're supposed to support the artist in every way. Musically, you see me, opinion and all of them little things there. So, but enough of them money, brother. Enough of them money want some money thing and them little thing, the brother. You see me? Them want artists to post them up and yeah, that them want, bro. You see me? Them want things from the artist and thing. Them just fan out. So when something happen now and the artist do something wrong, them nah go forward and say nothing. This is what I try to say. Because them don't take money already or the artist go up on live and I give them the strength and all of them look at things. So look at now. Whatever artist do, all if I shake with the artist do, seeing or do something in the media or whatsoever, them are gonna say, yo, low man, this and that way, because them don't take money. The artist don't promote them already, so it's like the artist can't do nothing wrong for them. You see what I try to say? Yeah.
So when you are stoop to Khago, and because him do your little dub plate, and you have him in your corner as one little artist, Khago one waste man. Khago are no artist. Them lock him out of the game long time because I'm little nasty, fishy, low lifestyle them. So youth, yes, when you support artists and you hear them get bun, if you're no artist, you still the artist thing, youth. Because when artists are do your favors, and you collect off of some artists to promote, and you have them in your bread basket, me not do them kind of style there. Me burn any artist from them scratch. And you can stay there have me as Gaza, Vendetta, whatever blogger you have me. Me tell you already, Cartel I'm an artist. Me black ball Cartel. And me tell you already, me is no Gaza blogger. Because when my head take me cuss the Gaza. But no now go hear me come at this Vice Cartel because I'm an artist. You understand? So if anything happen with Vice Cartel and I refrain from speak about the topic because me no have good to say or me no have bad to say, me just not talk about it. But you no come tell me what me should talk about from what me no fit talk about. You no blogger too. You no blogger.
Brother, them man they are not blogger, brother, cause them man they just play some video and just tell the comment say, yo, tell me what your thoughts in the comment. That's all. Him just play, him just introduce the video and just play it, and him not give no opinion really. You understand? All somebody we found out and diss him. Him not give nothing. Him just say, yo, bam, 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 because look at now. You see, him no want really lose and fan, him just want to get the views, you understand? So him want good with everybody. And that's fine, you know. If you do your money and every little thing, but don't be a little hypocrite like when certain artists where I give you the strength. You see me? When them do something wrong, nobody enough to say nothing bad when them do something wrong. You understand? Yeah, but nothing wrong if you want to keep your channel to get your views. Guys, look at now. It's easy to get views, you know. All you have to do, I just go neutral. You understand? Just play where artists say don't say nothing and tell people them want to think about this. That's all. Everybody will watch that channel there. You understand? Cause it nah put no opinion on no artist to make no fan base feel away. You understand? But the channel them where we rep one artist. You see me? And then whatever the artist and the artist in a link, and then you comment on that. You understand? But at the end of the day, where there is facts, we just speak facts. You understand? We not go around the thing. If an artist I do this, we are going to say I do this. We not go say, yo, him nah do that. You see what me I try to say? So, I just saw the thing said.
So if Vice Cartel do something, and you feel like so you feel lick out against Vice Cartel, why you not lick out about it? You afraid? Afraid you feel like Gaza, why you not lick out? So why you have a problem with me not talk? You know black at all, look much blacker there.
Nah, man. The man them afraid for. Let me tell you this. I always say this. You know if you put an opinion or a statement on an artist, you know, it not fi be in this way. You just have to speak the facts when the books where you can Google. You understand? Like reality. You know if you diss an artist. You can just speak the truth. You understand? If an artist have 4 apple, see, and a 4 apple in a man. You say, yeah, 4 apple in a man, that. You see what I'm trying to say? But I guess some people are go because some people are go afraid because them don't want to lose the subscriber and people for stop watch them video. You understand? That's why. Sometimes them will have it in them head, you know. You understand? And want to say something but true it go kinda now make them get the views and the fans will say, oh yeah, this my artist. But you can't just speak your opinion, brother. And not everything you say. If you say an artist now do this, you understand? And the facts right. No mean say you diss the artist, brother. You can explain what is the truth, why the artist now do this. A simple thing, but not for them money. Them now go, you not fit diss the Gaza people, them brother. You get just speak the truth. That's all. You see what I try to say? I not diss that. You see what I try to say? You have different level of this, you know. Remember say, you tell artists about them mother, or you talk something about the artist when I go so. You see what I try to say? Yeah, them think they're this, but if you talk the truth about the artist, we really go so that different. You see what I try to say? So them man they not go do that, brother, because them want to get the views. You see me?
If me feel like nothing say something about something with Cartel do, since you have a problem with it, why you never leak out on Vice Cartel about the Lisa hype video we get released and about him beating Gaza Kim and all them sitting there? Oh, no so hypocritical, youth. Oh, no so hypocritical. Rick Stamp, don't trouble me peace. Do not trouble me peace, youth. You hear me I say? Do not trouble J Progress peace. Because if you don't prepare for them sitting up on social media, leave J Progress peace alone, Rick Stamp. You hear me I tell you? Don't put me up on nothing and tell me what I qualify for from what I not qualify for. You think me like man, brother? Not do that. I know you run my channel, I know boy I know run my channel. You not tell me what I speak pan from what I not speak pan. So if Khago I rub you down, him not rub me down. And Khago I want to lick up batty boy, I mean I like Khago. Khago no like woman. So if Khago no like woman, a man like you him like. So me no know where we know I deal with. But if him don't like woman and degrade woman and discriminate woman them type of way there, me not like them type of boy there. Believe when me tell you that.
John, people. It even shocked me right now. You see me? It even shocked me right now. Say, yo, I just go down with Rick Storm, because me know say Rick Storm is a man where him not really speak him opinion much pan things. So this sound like him take Khago side, because basically him say, yo, J Progress now credible for talk about a situation. You understand? But I them do them thing in a dog, but you don't know when people are one media facts. Yeah, man. You don't know. Big up the supporters, you don't know. That is it.